Now see this one. So here I am taking one equation here. 5x square plus 2x minus 8 equal to 16. So what is that one? Equation. An equation is a mathematical statement containing an equal sign. Equal sign must be there. Then only that type of expressions will be called as an equation. So you can take one or more numbers, may be represented by unknown variables also. So to solve an equation, the value of these variables must be found. So to solve any equation, we have to find out that unknown numbers. Okay. Now see different parts of this equation here. Now see this one, variable. See this definition here. Variable. Varying quantity represented by a letter or symbol. So variable means what? A symbol which can be assigned various values is called a variable. A symbol which can be assigned various values is called a variable. Okay? Anything we can write. So if you take 3x, we have constant 3 and variable x. So see here, if you take 2x here 2 is a constant and x is a variable. And now what is a constant? A fixed quantity that does not vary. Fixed quantity, that means the number. Okay, constant is a number. 16 is a number here. So this is called as constants. Okay, understood? So if you come to this 5x square, 5 will be constant and x square will be variable. Okay, and together see 5x square will become one term. 5x square will become one term here. And 2x is a term. 8 is a term. 16 is a term. Here plus minus equal to are mathematical operations. Okay. So now 5x square plus 2x minus 8 is an expression. 5x square plus 2x minus 8 equal to 16. If you talk about all these things, then it is called as one equation, algebraic equation. Okay. 5x square is a term, 2x is a term. Term is combination of variable and numerals, that is constants. 8 is a constant here and also a term. Understood this one? So term means what? One part of an expression which may be a number, a variable or a product of both variable and number. See this one, this number will become a term. Combination of variable and this number 2x is also a term. 5x square is also a term. Okay, like that. See these examples here, 5x square, 4xy and given here. So these are all called terms. Understood? Now see another example here, 3x plus 4y plus 8. Now see this one, 3. If you talk about this, first of all, this is one expression. So why? Because here we have no equal to symbol. That means we can't call it as an equation. So this is only expression. This is only one expression. Expression in terms of mathematical term, what we are using here, mathematical symbol plus in addition only. Expression in addition. Mathematical symbol we are using here, addition only. If we talk about this 3x is one term, 4y is a one term, 8 is a term. Okay, 3 is a coefficient of x. If we talk about this 3, x is a coefficient of 3, y is a coefficient of 4, like that. Understood? Coefficient means any factor of a monomial is called the coefficient of the remaining factor. Any factor of a monomial is called the coefficient of the remaining factor. Here monomial means nothing but the single terms. See here, so if you talk about this 3x, okay, what is the coefficient of x means the remaining, in the term remaining values you have to write. So here only the thing is 3 here. So coefficient will be 3. While doing some more examples, you can understand coefficients and these constants, variables very easy. Okay, now see this one, another example I am giving here, 3x plus 5 equal to 20. See this one? Here 3 is a coefficient of x and x is a coefficient of 3. So now this 3x will become one term, 5 is a term, 20 is a term. Okay. So now we see constants. 5 is a constant, 20 is also a constant. The values of these things will not be changed here. Now see, up to 5 we can call it as an expression, 3x plus 5. What is the expression in this equation means 3x plus 5. Okay, understood? What is an algebraic equation here means 3x plus 5 equal to 20. The total will become algebraic equation. So variables, here only one variable, that is x here. Understood? Now see, I already explained the term now. Here see this one, definition of terms. So if you observe algebraic terms like, algebraic expressions like 3x square minus x plus 5, 3x square minus x and 5 are called the terms. Now understood na? Each and every bit will become one term. Term is a constant. So 5 is a constant here na? So they are saying that one term is a constant. A variable, x is a variable here. So it is also a term, or a product of a constant and a variable, product of constant and one variable. So this is also, so in the term 3x square, 3 is called the numerical coefficient. Understood? So 3 is called numerical coefficient of x square, and this x square is called the literal coefficient of 3. Okay, understood? See this one, exponential form is a shortcut for writing repeated multiplications by the same number. So here, see here 5 power 4, that means 5 is repeated here. See this one, for example 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Here 5 is repeated 4 times. So we can write it as 5 power 4. That means in the power we are writing 4. Okay, that means 5 is repeated 4 times. Here observe this one, 10. So count all these things, how many times it is repeated? 12 times. So we can write it as 10 power 12. Okay, so we can write in shortcut form. In powers we can mention how many times that particular number is repeated. Okay, so this is called exponential form, also called as power, also called as order, also called as index. So these are the words, all these words are referred to the same thing only, that is power only. Okay, now see 5 power 4 equal to, so it will be expanded how many times in the power, what we have? 4. That means you have to multiply 4 times. 5 you have to multiply 4 times. Okay, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So you get here 625. Okay, now see some more examples here. A into A into A. Okay, so minus B into B. Here see this one, coming to this A is repeated 3 times. 3 times we have multiplied A here. So how can we write this one? A power 3. Okay, here see this one, B into B. How many times B repeated here? 2 times. So in the power we can write B, we can write 2, that is B power 2. Now see this one. So y into y minus 4 into z minus y. Here y how many times repeated here? 3 times. So we can write it as y cube minus 4 into z, 4z only. Z only one time repeated here. Y one time only. So writing y. Now see the next example. A into x into x into x. How many times x repeated here? 3 times. Now see plus b into, so 3 times repeated, so a x power 3. So in the power you have to mention 3. Now coming to this b into x into x. How many times x repeated here? 2 times. So you can write it as b x square plus c x only one time repeated. So I am writing as it is plus d. So like that you have to write power. What is the power of particular number or particular variable means in the power what we have now? So how many times that particular number is repeated now? That number you have to mention as power. Understood? Now see, in the previous examples also, you can find out this power here. See this one? So 5x square plus 2x minus 8 equal to 16. So in the whole equation, what is the power of x here? 2. Here also power we have only 1. One time only repeated. Nothing here means x power 1 only. Okay? Highest power is here 2. Highest power of x means 2 here. Okay? Understood all these things?